Alright, let me see it.
Oh, oh.
What? Didn't even have it. I'm trying to grab it with this. Alright. Wait. Don't pull back.
Slipped.
It did slip. Alright, come on. Let me do it again.
But don't do it harder.
Alright. I have to do it on the edge. Right. Stop backing up. Ready?
Ready? Oh. Right on the napkin. Uh-huh.
That was easy. Let's see.
That's easy.
Let me see. Smile. It's gone.
I finally lost my 2 front teeth.
They're bottom ones, but okay. You can put the paper towel in there.